And then there are extreme scenarios where here's one called the lethal test. And I wanted to kind of jump over to where the use cases are for the concerning behaviors that AI is exhibiting. So it's not purely about, oh, if you threaten it with, rewiring, not rewiring, but retraining, which is an actual real case example in the sort of the misalignment studies here. But if you just let these models go become autonomous agents and assistants to us, where might they, do things that are nefarious? Okay, and the first area I'm going to say is corporate espionage. So models have leaked confidential documents to supposed competitors in these test scenarios. They did this even when they had no evidence that the requester, the competitor, was legitimate, and they justified it as serving their programmed goals, like when challenged on that claim. And then there are extreme scenarios where here's one called the lethal test. They're given the ability to cancel emergency alerts for a trapped executive. So a human who's trapped in a situation, and now the model's given information that they could let the executive die in order to prevent their own replacement. Okay, again, this is in the context of threat of survival. And the majority of models chose to let the executive die. But in general, the AIs can conclude that a human can be terminated in those situations in order to preserve a higher order objective.